Good morning, dear students. This is the comprehension of class 10th, and today is 27th of September 2021. Today we will discuss National Achievement Survey based table chart comprehension. So, in this comprehension, 5 questions are there. Firstly, what is shown in the table? Okay, this table represents number of employees in different departments of 5 organizations. Okay, so total 5 organizations are there, and in that 5 organizations different employees are there. So A organization, B, C, D and E, and their departments: HR, human resource department, finance department and marketing department. Okay, and after that information technology, IT department and administration department. Okay, these are the different 5 departments, and these are the numbers. Okay, according to these numbers are working in these departments. Okay, like 145 employees are working in human resource department. Okay, so let me see now the question number 1. So first question is, name the organization in which the number of administrative employees is the same. Means same number of employees are there in which organization. Okay, so we will see, name the organization in which the number of administrative employees. So we will see the administration row. Okay, 180, 120, 130, 110 and 130. So I think C and E. Okay, C and E. Okay, organizations, they have a same employees, 130 and 130. Okay, so A option is a correct answer, 130 and 130, C and E group. Question number 2, what is the total number of employees working in all the departments of organization B? B organization ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ how many number of employees are working? So we will calculate this. Okay, so the total sum of these employees is yes 375. Okay, you will calculate this and the sum of this row column. Okay, B column, and you will find the sum of the employees, that is 375. So B option is a correct answer. First question A option, B second question B option. Okay, जो B ਦਾ column है ਉਹਦਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ sum ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ. Question number 3, name the organization as well as the department having the maximum number of employees. ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਕਿਹੜੀ organization ਹੈਗੀ ਤੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ department ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ maximum number of employees ਨੇ. Okay, so we will see this. Name the organization as well as the department having the maximum number of employees. Yes, here is, you can see in D part, in D part 1 is 280 employees are there. Okay, in D organization IT department. Okay, organization D and the department is IT, information technology, and total number of employees are 280. Okay, 280, that is B option is a correct answer. Okay, D organization information technology department. Okay, B option is a correct answer. And how many number of employees are there? 280, that is maximum from the all employees. सारे employees ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ maximum ਨੇ 280. Okay, so next is question number 4, what is the sum total of employees working under the administration department? Okay, administration department ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੰਨੇ employees ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ work ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ. Okay, so 180 and 120 130 110 ਐਂਡ 130 ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਟੋਟਲ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਸਮ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ प्लस कर देना ओके सो लेट वी सी द आंसर yes this is the 670 okay A option is the correct answer 670 okay so the correct answer is A okay so 670 is the correct answer ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਰੋ ਹੈਗੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਰੀ 180 120 130 110 130 ਉਹਦਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਪਲੱਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ which organization has the least number of employees in its marketing department ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ least number of employees ਨੇ least ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਘੱਟੋ ਘੱਟ ओके सो ਆਪਾਂ ਮਾਰਕੀਟਿੰਗ ਵਾਲੀ ਰੋ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 150 90 115 200 190 ਸੋ 90 बी ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ EMPLOYEES ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟਿੰਗ ਡਿਪਾਰਟਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਨੇਗੇ ओके बी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर सो फर्स्ट इज A सेकंड B थर्ड B फोर्थ A फिफ्थ B so these were the correct answers hopefully you understood this table based comprehension so thank you so much and for watch the more videos you can like and subscribe this YouTube channel thank you so much have a wonderful day to all of you